Hi friends, I'm Kitty and welcome to my Dolls and Collectibles channel. I'm an adult collector that creates content that aims to encourage positivity in our hobby. You are never too old for dolls and never too old for a hobby you love, so stick around and have some dolly fun. Hi friends and welcome to my Dolls and Collectibles channel. Today I'm excited to share some 18-inch doll fashion inspiration for adult doll collectors. I'm unboxing a brand new Our Generation doll, and then I'm going to show you how to style the doll in the coolest outfits that come with the set. Whether you're a seasoned doll collector or just starting out, this is a video you don't want to miss. For my new viewers here today, welcome. I just wanted to let you know that I collect and showcase all kinds of different dolls on my channel. And recently I've been revisiting 18-inch fashion dolls that my daughter Totty and I started collecting a few years ago. And for anyone new to Our Generation dolls, they were first created by the Batak Company in 1994, and they are designed in Canada and in the USA and manufactured in China. And like American Girl dolls, some of the Our Generation dolls in the range come with a book that proclaims messages of self-esteem, self-expression and accomplishments for those to live by, and I'm super curious to find out what the story is going to be all about for this particular doll. Now, one of the best things that I personally think about the Our Generation doll line is that it has the most amazing and affordable fashions and accessories. And I'm personally a super fan of all the school sets. They are so cute. So this is the Stella Starry fashion gift box set. And what makes this box set extra special is that this doll comes in a beautiful gift box set with the book, the extra outfits and the accessories, which I am so excited to put together and show you here today. So in Australia, the Stella Starry fashion gift box set retails for $99. It has 15 fashion pieces and jewelry, and as I said, comes with the book. So let's get the box open and take a look. This gift box is so beautiful. I just need to get the ribbon undone now. Oh, how exciting. Oh, wow. Oh, this is so pretty. So you've got the doll already dressed in one of the outfits. And then there's some gift boxes. Oh, this is cute. Look at this. Oh, I can't wait to get them opened. So here is just some general instructions on how to care for the doll. Here is her style guide, and I'm going to show you how to style her in just a moment. So she's out of the box. I've saved you that misery. Isn't she beautiful? Look at her eyes. Oh my gosh, she's got the most beautiful blue eyes, and she's partially dressed in one of her outfits. Not a fan that she's been dressed in the black, because we all know what can happen with black and vinyl. So I'm hoping there hasn't been any transfer on her. But her hair is so pretty. I'll have to give it a little bit of a brush, but she's a beautiful platinum blonde. But those eyes are just so spectacular. Beautiful. Okay, let's go through some of these accessories. And I also wanted to note she didn't actually come with a book. This is a style guide, so that was my error. So this particular doll doesn't come with her own book, but a style guide instead on how you can dress her. So let's go through these little boxes of accessories. Aren't these boxes super cute? Wow. In my favourite colour, pink. So what have we got in here? Oh, wow, this is so cute. So there's a star handbag. That's really cute. Oh, it's even got a zip. Oh, and it works. Wow, wow, I'm really impressed with that. And then there is, what else have we got in here? Oh, that's cute. A little pink ruffly skirt. That's adorable. Oh, how cute are these? Oh, they are so adorable. A pink pair of summer shorts. They are super cute. Now, what's this? Oh, this is interesting. This is like a shrug to wear in winter. Oh, that's really cute. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's lovely, that piece. Okay, so that's that box. Everything's been so beautifully presented. You could imagine giving this as a gift, couldn't you? All right, what are the goodies in here? Gosh, this one seems full. So what is this? Oh, this is cute. It looks like a little pink hair extension. Look at that. It's got a pink star. Oh, that is super cute. I can't wait to put that in her hair. So that's that. What else have we got here? They look like some super cute things. Oh, a pair of sunglasses. Sunglasses for dolls are always so cool. She has a bottle of nail polish. How adorable is that? And a beautiful pink star hair clip. That's cute. Oh, I like this. A brush, a glittery brush. Good, I'll be able to brush her hair. This looks like a star necklace because the theme obviously is Stella, a bright star. So the theme is stars. So that's the necklace. That's super cute. Oh, we've got some cute shoes in here. 2 pairs. So a nice jelly glitter pair. That would actually look really nice with the outfit that she's got on. I'm going to sit them over there near her. And I love these. Look at these pink boots. Aren't they just divine? Oh, I love it. Okay. Now, let's get her dressed into her fashions and see what outfits we can come up with. Wow, she's so pretty. Look at her blue eyes. They are so gorgeous. So let's take a look at this outfit. So in the Stella Style Guide, they recommend this outfit, which comes with the star-shaped purse and the star charm necklace. So let's go through all her details. I pulled her hair out of the ponytails and her hair is down. The hair is beautiful. The hair has changed so much since we purchased Sydney Ballerina a few years ago. Her hair was super greasy and revolting. This hair is so soft and beautiful. Here's the details of the gorgeous gold necklace. It was so easy to put on. She has this beautiful black top with lace capped sleeves. Here's this gorgeous gold and black skirt with lots of pretty gold dots and the beautiful glitter trim around the waist. Here's this star handbag. Love that. That is super cute. Moving down, she's got black tights and the glitter gel shoes. So that's outfit number 1. You're looking so pretty, Stella. Okay, let's move on to outfit number 2. So I'm getting the doll changed, and as suspected, we have dye transfer on the doll from the top. I honestly thought that it would happen from the tights, but no, it happened from the top. So that's a little bit disappointing. I mean, I'll probably hide it with most of the clothes that she would be wearing, but yeah, black's not really a good choice. Dark colours when it comes to these dolls because of the dye transfer. I think this is my favourite outfit so far. I don't know whether it's the sunglasses or the cute pink shorts or boots, but I am loving this next outfit. Let's go through the details. So in Stella's style guide, they recommend this outfit, which includes the star hair clip and stylish sunglasses, as well as the pretty nail polish. She has the prettiest hair and, of course, the fuchsia pink hair clip looks adorable on her. I love her glasses. This is such a key statement piece that I love in this fashion box. Moving down, she's wearing the same top. It's actually a bodysuit, and those shorts are so stinking cute. Love them. The boots are just everything. And then, of course, she's holding her little glittery bottle of nail polish. Oh, Stella, you are looking so trendy and cool in this outfit. Okay, let's get on with the next outfit reveal. Stella's looking really pretty in this outfit. There's so many gorgeous pink details. Let's go through them all. So according to Stella's style guide for this particular outfit, there is the star clip-in hair extension and, of course, all the beautiful outfit details. They call this one Party Passion. Oh, she has the most beautiful coloured eyes. So pretty, so blue. Look at this beautiful hair extension. That was a lot of fun. I love the pink shrug. It's very classy. She has this cute, almost like ballerina-esque type skirt on and the cute little gel shoes. What a fabulous way to finish off this fashion extravaganza. Well, I wasn't expecting to have this much fun with this Stella A Bright Star doll unboxing, with all the outfits that you can change the doll into and the accessories. This is lots of fun, and that's what doll collecting should be about. There should be a fun element to it. That this unboxing definitely ticks that box. So I'm curious, viewers, which outfit was your favourite? Let me know down in the comments section below. Was it outfit number 1, fun and fancy? Outfit number 2, casual style? Or outfit number 3, party passion? As I said, let me know down in the comments section below. Our generation does not disappoint, and I'm really happy with this Stella doll and the unboxing, and I look forward to adding more OG dolls to my collection in the future. If you enjoyed today's video, please remember to hit the like button, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thank you for joining me here today, and remember, you are never too old for dolls and never too old for a hobby you love. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.